new Model Ts. News has changed so much. It's now ubiquitous. It's always there when you want it, not when some programmer thinks that you should get it. Very few of us head to the front steps to get our morning paper, although my 90-year-old mom still does. But instead, we reach for our mobile devices as soon as we wake up to check the morning headlines. Technology has connected us to the world and to world-changing events like the Arab Spring and the use of chemical weapons in Syria. Anyone with a cell phone these days and a Twitter handle can be a reporter delivering eyewitness accounts. It truly is an extraordinary transformation. But I think there's so much information at our fingertips, it's easy to feel that you're drowning in a virtual tsunami of information. I've often said it's a case of TMI, but any you. Too much information, but not enough understanding. At times, accuracy has been a casualty of immediacy.